What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about LCX token. This token is my most recent purchase. Full disclosure, I bought it for the sake of irony by itself, just literally for the sake of irony. Talking about it today because yesterday we had a little pump, 12.5%. What's ironic about it? I was watching a YouTuber and he said, don't put 70% of your portfolio in the number 412 market cap coin on CoinGecko. So I did that exact thing. I didn't put 70%. I probably put less than 5% of my portfolio in this coin, but still like not quite 5%, but more than 3%. That's still a decent bit of my portfolio, right? In something that's just a whim, that's just ironic, right? I looked into the token before I bought it. Of course I did, right? But just coming across this, I went to CoinGecko. It was number 412. Now it's number 376. It's moved up a little bit, sure. But at the time, there was something in me that was like, wouldn't it be funny if the coin that he literally is saying, don't put money into this coin, and he didn't even reference LCX. He was just saying number 412 just for whatever random reason. Wouldn't it be funny if that random reason was literally just irony, and that number 412 coin was actually like one of the best performers of the cycle. So I ran with that in my head, took a gamble. And now we're up just a little bit, you know. I bought like 5 days ago, and I didn't buy the low. I bought the low area, but 5 days ago it would have been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't think I bought on this day. I think I did buy on this day here. It says 25th. Yeah, I think the 26th is when I bought, I think. Like right at the beginning of the day, though. Like 13.2, 13.3. Anyways, I'm mainly talking about this because I think that it is getting ready to move up higher. I do think, for anybody that's looking for a new coin to get in, that seems fine. It seems like it's got a lot of room for growth. It's got a $107 million market cap. That is definitely leaves a lot of space open for growth to get to a $1 billion market cap, which is very attainable. It's not a small accomplishment by any means, but it's very attainable. It's a very achievable milestone for most cryptos. That's already a 10x from the current price, right? Fully diluted valuation isn't too far off, right? It's a little bit more, right? It's definitely a solid amount, but those tokens they're locked. They come out as rewards and stuff like that. It's not like they're all just going to flood the market at one point in time, right? And I actually don't know the unlock schedule or like the release schedule. I should probably look into that a little bit more personally, but I do like the way the chart looks. Finding support at previous areas of resistance here and support there. I think it looks good. Having bullish divergence on your RSI, 123 weekly support here, looking good, looking like it wants to move up. The next move up, and it's at 14.27 cents right now. The next move up, I think, when I say the next move, I mean like this move, right? Like the next move up will probably, in my opinion, take us to 93 to 58 cents, and I would assume by the end of the year, if not very early next year. So if those kind of gains sound good to you in that kind of time frame, I think LCX is a good one to get into. Look into it yourself, right? Don't just take my word for it. Go to CoinGecko, check it out. Check out the metrics if you can. LCX token, you can just type it in on here, and right, LCX is a regulated cryptocurrency exchange to trade crypto. And right, it's an exchange token essentially. And I don't know. It says it's regulated, right? I don't know. They say they are. I don't know if it is, but they say they are. And they're clearly interested in the American markets. They're approved on Coinbase and Kraken here, right? So those are both American exchanges, right? That are compliant with American regulations. So I don't know. There might be something. There might be something more that I'm not aware of with this thing personally, right? And that's what, again, just if you want to invest in it, look into it, right? Because I don't know everything about this. I've recently just taken an interest in it myself, and I do think it is going to go up higher, right? And it's just, I think it's a safe bet, or a relatively safe bet for this cycle, for the time being, right? Buying at this price here with the downside that it's had, the correction it's had, previous areas of resistance and support, I think it's a safe enough area to buy. I probably wouldn't advocate that anybody buy when we're at new highs, because who knows how much higher this thing will go. But I do certainly believe that it'll see new highs in comparison to this. I certainly do believe it'll go to prices at around 58 cents to 93 cents. And I just thought I'd bring this up because it looks like it's on its way to do that now. And I say now, that doesn't mean it's going to move up tomorrow or today. It could. Maybe today it closes up 15%. Who knows? Maybe it goes below 11 cents again, and then it goes up, right? Anything like that can happen. But relatively speaking, I think we're at a good area in price to buy. And before it really takes off, before it's above like 17.5 cents there, if anybody's looking to join the party train, choo-choo. That's all I got to say. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Thank you all for being here. Bye-bye.